While you were enjoying your summer, the federal government made a couple of very big announcements to do with the cars that we're able to drive, and most importantly, the types of cars people need to work. Things like utes are, of course, tools for the many good people with an ABN, a plumber's licence, a Sparky and all the rest of it. Also, the luxury car tax is about to be applied to hybrid cars. Why? Because they want you to buy electric vehicles. Now, Nathaniel Smith, the former MP in the New South Wales Parliament, but that's all behind him. He's back to his roots in the world of the tradies, and he's with the Master Plumbers Association in New South Wales. And your good self and Vicky Campion were interesting in an opinion piece that was around a couple of days ago, which was the changes that are going to happen potentially to the fuel standards means we're going to have less powerful utes. What does that mean for a tradie like a plumber?
Well, currently utes that plumbers use, other tradies use, other people in different service industries. Currently, a brand new ute or commercial vehicle at the moment, so you classify as a Euro 5D. Mm-hmm. So what they're bringing in from December 2025 with all new vehicles have to be a Euro 6D. Now, we don't know what that looks like.
Right.
Because there's nothing in the market at the moment that's a Euro D6.
So our standard is going to be a car that doesn't exist?
Well, it exists currently in Europe and other countries around the world, but there's nothing for sale on the Australian market that I know of. But there could be something around the corner, and there could be some great technology that comes forward, and it could be a magnificent vehicle, but we don't know. So,
and again, one of these decisions that gets made over summer, it has an impact because apparently it's going to kick in from 2025, so we have this sort of year buffer for the thing to become available here. But again, it's easy for governments that are all about green to make a decision like this, but then the people that end up having to save for those vehicles or budget for those vehicles need to know what the vehicle it is that they might buy at the start of 25.
Well, it's coming in at the end of December 2025 is when they'll be mandated. Right. So anything after that in a showroom must be the Euro D6. Mm. Now, for companies that I represent, there could be 5 plumbers in a company, it could be 100. I was talking to one the other day who has 200 vehicles on the road. Now, when he's making decisions on when he's going to renew his fleet, he's got to take this into account.
Yeah, good point.
And does he buy something at the end of 2025 before the mandate comes in? And now they're saying at the end of that press release, but by July 2028, you'll have to meet the new standard. So, what, a diesel ute has a lot longer life than 3 years.
Yeah, correct. So and again, for the vast majority of people who buy a car for work reasons, mm-hmm. your expectation is that it's going to stick around for a while because they are bloody expensive, and even if you are able to sort of carry the one, use the finance system, all the rest of it here. So what do you need out of the federal government? What would you like to start to see?
Well, I would like to see some more consultation. Obviously, they consult with motor groups, manufacturers, but we're the end user. Mm. And there seems to be a push towards hybrid and electric vehicles in the future. And that won't meet the needs of people who work in the maintenance industry. It's a very spontaneous industry. You could be doing a job here, which is light work, changing some washers, and then you're fixing a leak where you need to get a ton of asphalt from Boral.
Great point.
You got to spray the back of your tray with diesel, and then you're carrying you're carrying nearly a ton of asphalt, which is it's very heavy, it's very dense. So that could happen in one day.
Yeah.
And if eventually you have to use an electric vehicle, where are you going to charge it?
What's better, being a politician or talking plumbing?
Oh, it's been a great change.
Yeah, I reckon talking plumbing, way better. You dealt with, well, dare I say, a certain type of thing in Parliament, but talking plumbing, talking real stuff.
It's real stuff. As the former government whip, I was a bit of a plumber. I had to fix the leaks. I had to keep everyone in line. Now I'm doing that in a different way.
Good stuff.
So, no, it's going very well, and the organisation's growing. We've put out a new website. We're always looking for apprentices every day through MPAL, our group training organisation. And there's much more benefits coming to members if they're a member of the Master Plumbers. And we're continuously advocating for our tradies.
Good stuff.
Every day.
Good on you, Nathaniel. Lovely to see you, mate. Look forward to talking to you very soon again.